Hey guys, so we have a brand new product from Gershion, but it's liquid polygel. This is brand new. I'm so excited to try this, so I thought we'd unbox it, try it out together. We'll just dump it out here and go through it. So here's an instruction card. We have some nail forms. These are the exact ones I use right now, and they work out pretty well. There's a nail file, and then of course the polygels. There's a base coat, a top coat, and then 6 different colors of gels. Let's pop one open and see what it looks like. Oh, okay. Honestly, I expected this to just basically be a builder gel, but it's pretty thick. I can't wait to give this a try and see how it works out. Okay, we're not doing this now here. The video for that should be up. If it's not, it will be soon. If it is, I'll put a card up there. We're going to work on my middle finger today and give my pointer finger a break. So, like with all polygel, it says to apply our base coat first. So we're just going to pop that on and then pop into the lamp. This stuff smells like bubble gum, not like fragranced. I don't know. Oddly, it just smells like bubble gum. It's kind of cool. I don't know why I left all of this long swiping in, but I did. But look, we're here now and we're going to get on with the show. So now we're going to place the form on and get into this polygel. This is voiceover me signing off for right now because this is a long stretch of video coming up, and I think original video me would walk you through it better. And down like this, but I'm not going to wipe any off the sides because I want to try and build some length with this. So I'm just going to kind of, until that string breaks, and let's see what we can do with it here. Yeah. Honestly, if you're a gel person, you would probably like this. Especially if you're DIY, you've learned with gel and you haven't tried polygel yet. Because as you can see, it stays attached to itself. I am not the best with gel, but you are going to use gel like techniques. You see what I'm saying here? I've applied builder in a bottle once or twice. I'm definitely not where I'm comfortable with gel, but I'm using the application techniques that I'm aware of to try and apply this. Now, I do know with gel though, see, this is going to self-level. I'm going to flip it over like I would with gel. I know with gel, I would have applied my first layer and I would have kind of built my nail with it, cured that, and then went in with this to build. Okay, yeah. See that? Definitely raised up. Go ahead and try and pull down the middle for a bit of an apex. I've got these on the sides that are slightly uneven, but I'll fix it with a file. I'll come back also and strengthen that. I'm just going to flip it upside down like I would with a gel before I throw it in the... And here's what I've got after 2 minutes. I checked it after 1. it seemed like it was cured. It does have a tacky layer. So I'm putting a form back on because down there where my nail meets the extension, you see it kind of goes in, so I need to fix that. I'm going to put a form back on and fix that really quick. I'm going to go back, I'm going to try and fix that and then build that up just a little bit more. That honestly built a pretty nice base. So I'm just going to get a little bit of product here to fix those bald patches. And I'm going to go right in and lay that down there. If I need any more, I can dip back in. It wasn't too difficult to get just the amount I needed, so that wasn't really a problem. I'm going to pop these back in the lamp to get the edges cured that I just fixed. And here's where we are after completely curing. It's, of course, going to need some filing and shaping. I'm going to remove this last sticky layer, but don't worry, I'm not going to make you watch this time. So I'm just going to use my e-file and take down a lot of the bulk. I talked about this file in my last video. I love it, and I'm going to link it in the description for you. If you're looking for a drill, this one is great. Time to top coat and cure and done. Here in a minute. And here's the final product. I think this would be great for anybody really, especially if you already do gel and you want like the flexibility of Polygel, or if you already love Polygel and you've kind of wanted to try gel, but with a product that's not going to run down the form and something that's easier to control. This would be great for that. There are 6 colors altogether, as I said earlier. I can't wait to play with those, and I went ahead and did some swatches.